Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable XMP on a Lenovo laptop. First, save all work and restart your Lenovo laptop. During boot, press the appropriate key to enter BIOS or UEFI. Usually F2, FN plus F2 or delete depending on the model. Once in BIOS, navigate using the keyboard arrow keys. Here, look for Advanced Mode or Advanced Settings. Some Lenovo laptops have the Lenovo Vantage and BIOS setup option instead. In BIOS, go to Overclocking, Performance, AI Tweaker, or Memory Settings. Now, look for XMP, DOCP, or Memory Profile. Next, select XMP Profile 1 or the profile listed. This sets your RAM to its rated speed, timings, and voltage. Some laptops may show it as Enable or Disable and then Enable. After that, press F10 or follow the on-screen instructions to save and exit. Your laptop will reboot with XMP enabled. After Windows boot, check your RAM speed using Task Manager. Then go to Performance and then reach the memory. In the CPU Z app, go to the Memory tab, which shows the actual frequency X2. The speed should match your RAM's rated XMP speed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.